to another episode of JNS Miniatures. Today we have this Jaguar XJ220 1/18 scale by Maisto for the review. So we did a full restoration on this model, and we did a full respray and some restoration work on the windshields and cleaning up the interior for one of our customers. So if you guys would like to see that, you can see our previous video where we have shown the dismantling and the reassembly of this beautiful Jaguar XJ220. So talking about the XJ220, it was manufactured from 1992 till 1994 with a total production run of 282 cars. In 1992, when it was during testing, it had a top speed of 341.7 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest production car at that time from 1992 till 1993. The XJ220 originally was supposed to have a 6.2 liter V12, but when it came to production, it was a 3.5 liter V6 that was fixed to the car. But the original engine had a 500 horsepower output, but then the V6 had a 542 horsepower output, so making it better. Now let's have a look at the model that we have here. We did a full respray on it in a metallic blue, which we think suited the car. Previously it was a dark blue that didn't actually highlight the car, so we think that this color is better suited for it. And we'll have a closer look at the functions that it has. It has working suspension. When you have a look at the interior panels, the rear suspension is really interesting because it works in a different way, very realistic, very nicely done. So suspension works, the doors do open, as does the front, and then the engine compartment opens as well. So let's have a closer look at the model now. Okay, so this is the side profile of the car for you guys to see. Then we have the top, really nice detail on it. And then if you take the tires, the tire size and the markings are there, Dunlop. And then you have the Jaguar logo there with a small tire pressure valve there. Side mirror with reflective stickers on the side mirrors as well. Really cool details on the interior panels. There we have the sun visor there, and then we have some instrument panel. The indicators are there, very nicely detailed, and you can see some meters on the doorboard here as well, and you can see the pedals there at the bottom, and these are actually rubber seat belts on the car. Really nice details added here. The interior, very good detail, and as you guys can see, there's a oil cooler kind of a thing there, I think. Full filler cap. When you go to the back, there you go, just XJ220, and it actually said Jaguar here on the original, but since we repainted this, that decal is not there anymore. Two exhausts from the side. As you can see, the brake lights, the reverse lights, everything is there, very nicely detailed inside the mesh. And then the engine bay. So the engine bay can be opened as well. There we go, there you can see Jaguar, and it says XJ220 there. Some really nice details. Maybe you can see the spark plug leads are there. So that's a cool detail to add. Loads of detail in the engine bay as well. There we have it. Not much to see on the passenger side. That's the front end. Front end opens and two cooling fans there. Not a lot of detail, but it's really nicely done. As you can see, you might have noticed that the side mirror on this side is on the door, and the side mirror on this side is on the fender. So So that was how it was on the original. So nicely done, nicely replicated. We like those details. And the roof panel goes entirely glass from here to here. So that's a really cool detail because you can see the entire interior, you can see everything. It's really nice. This is a really nice model to have. So there you go. Let's have a look at the photographs we took of this model. So we would rate this model 5 out of 10, considering the details that it has and the value for money, and basically based on how we like it. So if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscription button and the bell icon for notifications. Also like us on Facebook and on Instagram and on GNS Miniatures. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later with another video review. Bye-bye.